Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your first GitHub repository in the github.com and connect from your local machine to the github.com. Let's get started. This is my laptop which is installed Ubuntu operating system, and this is my remote github.com account. Once you log on the github.com, here in the left side you will see the create repository. Click on it. You will get a create a new repository page. Here this is the username which is initially you given while account creation, and the repository name I'm going to give first repo. It checks your account whether its name is available or not. The name is available, repo name is available, so it's taken. So this is my personal account. Just I am selecting the public. I am not touching anything. Create repository. Once it's done, it's showing some stuff to done in your local machine. You will get some little bit confusion, right? I will clear everything. Don't get confused. Just go with the terminal here. We will do line by line, right? In the desktop, I have only 2 folders. Now I am making a new file. Folder first repo. I am entering in the directory of the first repo. This is the local machine. What they saying is echo first repo. I mean just creating the first readme file. It's just creating one readme file. See, one file is created, right? And this is the thing. This is this for the backup. Going back to the folder. Just concentrate this one. And after it's saying git init. Before doing this thing, you have to install the sudo apt install git. Before doing any operation of the git command, you have to install the git. See, in my system is git already installed, so not required to install once again. I'm going to initializing my git. Let's see what is there. You can see in the previous command the git.git is not appeared. Now git is initiated in my local repo, right? Let's clear the screen. Now we are going to add that git add dot readme. It's added. Now it's not committed, right? You can see what they saying git add readme. Changes to be committed. So we have to commit git commit yum first commit. Hit enter. So what they're saying, git config global username is not available and the username is not set, right? So to do this, just copy it from here to here. If you don't know command, control plus shift plus copy. This is for copy. Okay, don't get confused. Once you copied, just paste it. I'm not going to globally set this thing. I'm just going to give in the local on the current directory. It affects, it not affects all my machine. If you have multiple GitHub account, it may get conflict, so that's why I'm using the local, only affects in the this directory. Okay, and here I'm going to give my just hit enter. Here I'm going to give my user dot name. Shetty, right? Yeah, done. Now I'm going to commit once again. Now you can see master root commit, one file is changed, one insertion, right? Now is committed. So we have to check we are in which branch. You can see this is the master, this is the old GitHub version master. Now they renamed to the main. You can see here they saying change the name branch M, git branch -m and the main. That's it. Just hit enter. Let's check git branch. See, it changes branch name master to the main. This is the thing. Most of people is confusing in this stage. That's why they're getting a error. Okay. Now we are going to add my GitHub remote URL. Just copy and paste it here. Hit enter. Yeah, now it's done. Now this saying git push you. This is not pushing, you just setting the upstream. Git push upstream, sorry, is asking the username for the github.com. So to do this, I'm going to show you another way, in better way to do this. Just click on the Control C. Here to do this, just type ch auth login. So they're saying the GH command is not available in your machine. So we have to install. First let's clear the screen. Sudo apt install GH. Just hit enter. Yeah, the package is installed successfully. Now type GH auth login. Just hit enter. Now you can see the two options, github.com and GitHub Enterprise Server. So right now I have a github.com, my GitHub account. Just hit enter. So it's asking in which way you are authenticating this account. So I'm just selecting the HTTPS, login with a web browser. Here first we have to copy this thing. Just copy. Sorry. Control Shift. Control Shift C. Once you copied the code, just hit enter. It redirects the website to your web browser. Here click on the continue. It's asking for the code what you copied in the previous terminal. Just paste it and click on the continue. Once you're done, it's saying read and write access, read access, public and private. Just click on the authorize GitHub. Congrats, you're all set. Once you're done, just close the browser web tab and come back to the terminal. Now git push upstream origin main. Just hit enter. Yeah, now your local repository files are uploaded to your GitHub account. Let's refresh it here. Click on the code. See, the readme.md file is deployed from your local repository GitHub account. Let's create some different thing. lrt. You can see there is only one file is available in my code, in my local repository. Let's create one file, touch index.html. Just hit enter. And now git add. First you have to check the status. Say we have to untrack the file is there, that one is in index.html. We have to pass this, means we have to use the git add. Just type git add. If you have a multiple files, means just use the dot. It selects all the untracked files. Just done. Once it's done, we have to give a commit, double quotes, second commit. That's it. Enter. Hit enter. You can see one file is changed, 0 insertion, 0 deletion. Now just type git push. That's it. Hit enter. No upstream, no origin, no main, nothing. Just hit git push. Now let's refresh. See, now the index.html is file executed. You can see the commit, the second commit is there. This is a sample video how to create your repository in the github.com and connect your local machine to your GitHub remote repository. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thanks for watching.